Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off 3 different assistant menu shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility. Next, go down and tap on interaction and dexterity. Then we go down and tap on assistant menu. In here, go down and tap on assistant shortcut. Now tap on the left hand side panel, and at the top you can turn on the shortcut. Then tap on the allow button. In here you have 3 different options on how you can turn on the shortcut. You got tap accessibility button. You can assign the shortcut to the volume up plus the down keys, or you can use the combination of the side and the volume up keys. So I'm going to turn all of them on, and you can see that if I press on the volume up and the side key, if I press and release, I can quickly turn on or turn off the assistant menu. I can also press and hold on the volume up plus the volume down key. So press and hold for 3 seconds, and this will allow me to toggle the menu items on or off. And the last option is to tap on the accessibility button at the bottom in the navigation bar. And in here I can tap on assistant menu to switch it on or off. So those are the 3 different shortcuts on how you can turn on or turn off assistant menu. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.